Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be looking at how to patch our games for the PlayStation TV. So if you have a PlayStation TV like I do and love playing on it, I prefer the PlayStation TV honestly than the mobile PlayStation Vita, just because it's more convenient and I could just sit down here and play my mobile games on my PC monitor. Anyways, you're going to get a lot of games that are just not going to work. You're going to get a message saying that it's not supported, although the game doesn't really require touch or any kind of crazy gyro mechanics when it comes to like the PS Vita's gyro controller. And that is pretty annoying. There are several games that I love playing on the PS Vita, and unfortunately they just don't play on the PlayStation TV for some odd reason. And it's very easy to solve this problem. All we have to do is install a plugin, and I'll show you which one it is, and let's get into it. So we will be using Auto Plugins 2, which is a wonderful app that allows us to install plugins flawlessly. If you haven't downloaded and installed this plugin, I'll have that VPK in the description down below for you, so you can add it to your collection on your Vita. When you start Auto Plugins 2 for the very first time, you're going to get an update, hopefully, and the application will update to the latest plugins and to the latest app. Once that's finished, you want to start into Vita Plugins, go to Install Plugins, and we're going to look for the plugin that's called DolcePolce. And this is going to remove the PlayStation TV blacklist checks. So let's press X, and we're going to press X again, and we're going to press X to install. Once that's finished, you want to press Start to exit Auto Plugins 2, and it will reset your console. Once your console restarts, you should be able to start any of these games with no issues and play like normal. Now obviously the PlayStation TV has no type of touch function, but there is a way around that, especially for some games that require the touch. To enable the touch feature on the PS TV, you want to press the home button on your controller and go down to the option that says use touch pointer in games. Enable that and you'll see a new window pop up showing you how to use the touch on your PlayStation TV. Once you have that enabled, just press L3 and a little finger pointer will pop up, and you can start moving that and selecting whatever options you have to select for that game. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below which games are you playing on the PlayStation Vita. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.